So, yesterday I was like, I'm never going to forget my camera again, and guess what? I did forget my camera. What I did was forget the memory card that's in my camera. So, what can you do, man? It's been one of those weeks, right? Anyway, just finished wrapping up my session here in Saldair and headed to Lynx now to get my upper body training day in. So I'm just gonna keep it raw, uncut with the cell phone, right? Because whatever equipment that you have, you just use, right? Be resourceful and get things done. Wait, Alexa off. All right, just tidying up a little bit, and yeah, everything is cool. Let's go. Yo, what's going on, Patrick?
Nothing much. I just got done with my morning session. Zoom in on my face. Zoom in on my face. Zoom in.
Wait. What's going on with the programming?
It's going pretty well. Caesar's busting out his new program. I'm in the videos. We have to meet up this week to film my warm-up routine.
Oh, okay.
Text me.
All right, let's do it. All right. Okay, so we are here at Lynx. Today is my upper body training day. So, like I mentioned, the camera doesn't have a memory card, so I just have my phone. So I'll try to capture what I can. Usually the warm-up stays the same. My general warm-up stays the same. I'm opening up my hips, my T-spine, ankles, knees, getting ready to, like, as if I'm going to play a full game or something. Next up is going to be like an upper body specific warm-up, upper body power dynamic prep, and then go straight into the upper body session day. All right, I'll put everything in the link in the description below, or pretty much put the full workout in the description below so that you guys can follow along. And like I mentioned, all of this is in the Stop Exercising, Start Training handbook, so go get yourself a copy, and I'll see you inside the community. All right, let me go stretch, warm up, and get ready to rock and roll. My upper body session for the day. Like I said, quick, easy, simple. All the exercises, sets, reps in the description below. Go check it out. I feel great right now, man. Now I'm gonna go and just stretch. Oh wait, class is in session. It's about to start right now?
Nutrition, yeah.
All right, let's take a sneak peek.
So like I said, whole body challenge designed for nutrition, exercise, get you moving, get you feeling good. So what are our 3 daily habits? So we have fuel, which contains nutrition and hydration. For nutrition, you're gonna be eating 4 meals a day. Everybody's gonna have 4 meals a day. Okay, we have an optional post-workout fuel snack, okay? Or a protein shake, which I'll explain more in a little bit. And then our other fuel is water, hydration. So your in-bodies have your total weight on them. You're gonna take your weight in pounds, you're gonna divide it in half, and that's how much water in ounces you're gonna have to drink a day. Okay, so everybody's is gonna be a little bit different, and you're just either hitting that number or you're not. Okay? Reset, that's our sleep and our mindfulness. Sleep is so important.
All right, so basically what you guys just saw was the nutrition challenge that they have here at Lynx. Yo, homegirl Nicole, definitely hooking that shit up for you guys, for all your gains, right? Especially getting you right for the summer. I'll put all the information down below. It does start on Monday, so get it as soon as you see this episode. Anyway, kicking it in the studio with my man Ron. We're about to get some mitt work in before Frank comes in here, and then I coach him up a little bit. All the time. Six. 7. There you go. So right now he's just going through my general warm-up, which is pretty like simple in nature, but it is geared to take your joints to its full range of motion with like explosion, right? So we're trying to create some elasticity with his body so that when he's throwing his punches, he's like nice and fluid and not stiff at all. All right, guy. All right, so I'm headed back to the crib now. My work in the city is done. About to go pick up dinner for the fam and August from daycare. So let's hop on that bus and get to the crib. Back to the crib, yeah. You could create any narrative that you want, and the universe will respond to that narrative, right? You could have the narrative of a victim, coming from a place of victimhood, or you could come from a place of empowerment, right? You could have that narrative of empowerment. So whatever narrative that you create in your mind, you know, the universe is going to respond in like kind. So just build your narrative. It starts with that fantasy, that idea, you know, and create that idea in your mind, and the universe is going to respond by creating that in your reality. You know, like as simple as that sound is pretty tough, especially all your life. The narrative that you've created and others created for you tells you otherwise, right? I know this because I'm living it every single day, and I constantly have to remind myself through daily habit building that, hey, this is the narrative that I want to create, and this is the life that I want to start living, right? So it starts with the mind first, and the best way to cleanse your mind is through meditation, man. Like spending that time alone, that's when you get to connect the most with your subconscious mind, and also with the formless stuff, as Wallace likes to say. You know, all creation starts in the mind, starts in your imagination. So start imagining the narrative that you want to create, right? Like start imagining, start fantasizing, and then that fantasy is just going to become a theory. Right now I'm working with this theory night and day, and it brings me joy, you know, just in anticipation of what's to come. I just love this, man, and I'm going to spend the rest of my life practicing this and teaching and preaching every single day. So get used to this same idea, because it's a good one. And if you like to adopt it, join the tribe. Just join the tribe.